Hi, my name is Przemek Chojecki and this episode is about generating text. So it's mostly about GPT-2 and what I did with it, what was done actually by other people. So first of all, OpenAI, a Californian company, Californian non-profit organization, but actually it took investment from Microsoft, released a GPT-2 model basically at the beginning of this year. GPT-2 stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, and 2 stands for number 2 because that was the second installment of the GPT-2 algorithm. Generative means that we are about to generate text. Pre-trained means it's being pre-trained as a model on a big, large data set. In this case, it's a data set taken from articles linked from Reddit, which got upvoted at least 3 times, and it contains, I think, around 40 gigabytes of text. And the whole model contains 1.5 billion parameters. And Transformer is the name of the infrastructure, machine learning, deep learning architecture that I'm not going to discuss in this episode. I'll probably make another episode just about the Transformer and how you train it. It's a little bit more complicated to explain in a couple of minutes. But yeah, we have this large model, large data set. Then we do add to that a lot of compute. And here we go. We have a great, beautiful model, GPT-2, that's pre-trained. Half of it was already released, and by half I mean a model with half of the parameters, so I guess 700 something. It's already available on the net, and you can test it either on talktotransformer.com, or you can just download the whole implementation for yourself from OpenAI GitHub and play with it on your laptop. And this is what I did in the last couple of months, because I'm really fascinated by all generative approach to text, by processing text. And basically what I did was I put a couple of Medium articles on the web, or actually on the Medium and on my blog. Articles ranging from climate change, blockchain, to artificial intelligence itself, because I had fun with actually generating article about how artificial intelligence is changing the world, written by artificial intelligence, in this case GPT-2, plus different kind of fine-tuning of the GPT-2 itself, because actually GPT-2 is one of the models. You can find also Grover on the web, done by researchers from University of Chicago, and there are a couple of other efforts from different groups of people to push forward generative models, which they're really important for the development of AI. So I'm really fascinated by that, because I truly believe that playing with text is what pushes us forward to artificial general intelligence, and that should be the goal, right? In the end of all the development of AI. So we have this huge model in the case of GPT-2. There was a couple of controversies regarding that, because OpenAI didn't release the whole model and still haven't released that. They just keep on releasing different installments of that month by month, or like I guess quarter to quarter, waiting a couple of months and see how the other people react to that. And so far, what they did was pretty good, because that raised a lot of questions, that raised a lot of discussion whether how far we should go with policing current AI research, and I think that's really important. Because there's potential malicious use of GPT-2 and other models, especially when you think about automation of spam marketing, sending a lot of text to different people, and basically just flooding the whole internet with this kind of blah 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 generated by GPT-2. Those texts are pretty good, especially if you moderate them, the generated ones. You can see some of them on my Medium blog channel. I will link some of those below the video, so you can have a look at this how artificial intelligence is changing the world. I think they're really good. I think we're at the level of being able to generate some kind of general blah 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 books about, I don't know, like coaching finance or like general stuff. So it's both scary and very interesting. But in order for them to be really good and believable, we still need to do a lot of manual cuts by ourselves. And so this is what my project is currently. I want to even fine-tune more of those generative models to actually be able to generate longer and longer text, because losing context very quickly is the biggest drawback so far. Yeah, thank you for watching this. Please subscribe to this channel and see you in the next episode. Thank you.